Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Battery so you can act immediately. This is where control lives. Once there, locate Low Power Mode and the battery percentage display. Toggle Low Power Mode on to cut background app refresh, automatic downloads, and visual effects. That preserves runtime. Make sure you understand why. It sacrifices some background tasks for longer screen time. If you need quicker access later, make a note to add the control to Control Center for instant toggling. Next, automate so you don't manage this manually. Open Shortcuts, tap Automation, then create Personal Automation and pick Battery Level. Set a trigger like falling below 50%, add the action set Low Power Mode on, and repeat to turn it off at, say, 80%. Once done, disable Ask before running so automations run automatically. Make sure to test both automations. This approach keeps your phone in optimal power states without you thinking about it and prevents constant manual. Finish by adding Low Power Mode to Control Center for one-tap access. Settings Control Center, add Low Power Mode. Then test your automations by changing battery level with a quick toggle or waiting for triggers. Verify they turn Low Power Mode on and off as expected. If an automation fails, make sure Ask before running is off, check Shortcuts permissions, and restart the phone. If it still misbehaves, update iOS. Many automation quirks resolve with the latest system fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.